Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, so that may give you clarity or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. Leos, and if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards here, guys. So we have Sun, King of Earth, and Eight of Air. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship, you are someone really practical, grounded, and you know what will work well in your circumstances. You have a lot of experience and you are a dedicated person, Leos, devoted to your work, and you are committed to your situation. You have that focus and attention. Whatever you do it with that concentration, using your skills and talents, and you have faith in yourself, confident about your skills, and that may be the reason you are moving towards success, and whatever is the right thing for you guys is coming towards you, Leos. So your commitment, your responsible attitude, that is what is taking you towards the right choices and the prosperous choices in your situation today, guys, Leos. And maybe for some of you in your relationship, guys, you love this person and you feel that you can trust them, and you feel that this person also loves you and they are just like you, they feel just like you, but maybe the way they behave or the words they speak may point out to you that they cannot be trusted, guys. So you have been in some kind of an illusion. So the love you had, or this love this person had on you, may be just your illusion. Maybe they do not trust you or they do not have that love on you. Maybe they are here with you trying to use you in some ways, guys, and it is not clear for you. So you are not seeing the truth, though you know that something is missing in this relationship, there is something wrong. You are really worried to face the truth, to come face to face with the truth, but you are a really practical person. You don't want to be involved in a relationship where there is not a shred of trust, faith, and love. So that is not going to take you anywhere. So only if they are committed and responsible like you, things are moving towards a positive outcome in future, guys. So you are getting clarity today, Leos. Maybe if this love is not meant to be, you are seeing it clearly today. It may be quite painful, but you need to understand that this circumstance is much better than some kind of more painful circumstance in your future. So, Leos, you need not worry about the way things are going, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may see some changes in your relationship. Maybe you're moving towards a temporary break or a separation from this person. Maybe they may realize your worth and come back for some of you guys, Leos. But for some of you, if this relationship is not meant to be, they are moving away, guys. And even in your career situation, Leos, prosperity, abundance, and happiness is what I see. So you are seeing some rare opportunities of success reaching you, something that gives you lucrative returns, and something which you are truly happy about, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys. And it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today, because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. But you need to understand that it is for your best and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand. And this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been uh, waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love and we want to change, and that is a honest thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.